On this week's edition of Jamaica House Weekly, we share a special report from Prime Minister Andrew Holness as he takes decisive action in dealing with crime and violence on the island. I'm Vaughn Davis. Stay tuned.
States of public emergencies were declared in the police divisions of St. James, Westmoreland, and Hanover. These three are termed the tri-parish SOEs. And in the corporate area, the St. Andrew South Police Division, the Kingston West Police Division, the Kingston Central Police Division, and the Kingston East Police Division.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness made that declaration on Sunday, sharing that states of public emergency were in effect for 7 police divisions that cut across 5 parishes.
We have decided to recommend the declaration of SOEs, having regard to the increase in murders compared year on year, both in the communities in which we have declared them and nationally. And these increases we consider to be of an extensive scale, such that they threaten public safety, both in the communities in which the SOEs have been declared and nationally.
Mr. Holness revealed that all police divisions named as part of the state of public emergency have seen increases in violent crimes.
All have murder rates per 100,000 in excess of the regional average, which is 15%. In fact, the murder rate per 100,000 in these divisions range from a low of approximately 47 per 100,000 to 190 per 100,000.
As at November the 12th, 2021, our serious crime data shows that we have an increase in murder. Shootings have remained largely flat, but other crimes are trending downwards. What this means is that we have a violence problem.
Since the start of the year, murders have increased by 10%, with gang violence accounting for 70% of all murders. Another 19% of these crimes are caused by persons' inability to resolve personal differences without violence. As of November 12, there were 1,240 murders, with 392 occurring across the 4 police divisions in Kingston and St. Andrew. Of the 1,100 persons shot and injured since the start of the year, 391 victims were also from the police divisions in Kingston and St. Andrew. Over in the tri-parish divisions of Westmoreland, Hanover, and St. James, 272 Jamaicans were victims of gun violence. The tri-parish police divisions also saw 214 persons being shot and injured since the start of the year.
The imposition of states of public emergency regulations in particular spaces does not remove or detract from any other policing methods that will be used and have been employed recently against these highly violent offenders.
The security situation has proven to be well beyond the sphere of normal routine policing, and the JDF can more effectively assist the JCF if we have the powers we have requested.
The corporate area SOE boundaries encompass Belvedere to Ferry, the foot of Red Hills, Perkins Boulevard and Bolines Road, Hagley Park Road, Bay Farm Road, O'Mara Road and Chisholm Avenue, Slipe Road, South Camp and Deanery Roads, as well as Mountain View Avenue. The boundary continues in the east on the border of St. Andrew and St. Thomas, to the south and west towards the border of St. Catherine and St. Andrew. In western Jamaica, the boundaries extend to the borders of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth, as well as St. James and Trelawney.
We're all working towards a common goal of ridding Jamaica of crime and recognizing that this can only be achieved through unified and direct effort. Crime affects all Jamaicans, and we can all play our part.
We are confident by staying this course, we will break the back on the scourge of crime, of violence in Jamaica. This is the commitment of the government of Jamaica to the people of Jamaica and the residents in the affected communities. I am not only optimistic, I'm confident if the security forces are given the requisite tools in terms of both their personnel, institutional reform and development, and required legal tools, as we are now doing with the state of public emergency and several other pieces of legislation, we will win this war against criminal violence.
I have a duty to look for the rights of the Jamaican citizen, the innocent Jamaican citizen, who is entitled to their safety and to their life.
Persons wishing to assist the security forces in ridding the island of this violence monster may call 311 or 876-837-8888. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.